This is one of the more difficult breathing exercises that we can attempt. This one is even a little bit dangerous for some people. Now, most of the time when we do a breathing exercise, we breathe in for 4, hold it for 4, breathe out for 4, and hold it for 4. Then we breathe in, hold it, breathe out, hold it, and we repeat that. This one, though, is a little bit different. The problem is when we're doing 4, 4, 4, 4 breathing, is some of the air or the gases we're breathing in stay trapped inside our lungs. Now, the reason we have to breathe, besides staying alive, is not because we're lacking oxygen. It's because there's a buildup of carbon dioxide in our system. It gets in our muscles, it gets in our organs, it gets in our lungs, and that buildup forces us to take another breath. Now, when we breathe normally, in for 4, hold it for 4, out for 4, hold it for 4, some of that becomes trapped in our lungs. And over time, during the day, we become short of breath because there's a buildup of carbon dioxide in our lungs. This can become dangerous if you have asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or some other lung disease. So what we're going to do today is clean our lungs out. So we're going to breathe in through our nose for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to hold it for 7. And then we're going to exhale through our mouth for 8. Now when we finish exhaling for the 8, the first thing we need to do is breathe in again because we're totally filled up with carbon dioxide and our lungs are empty. So we're going to breathe in again for 5. We're going to hold it for 7. And we're going to breathe out again for 8, forcing all the air out of our lungs. This cleans our lungs of all the carbon dioxide that's left behind there. We do this 6 times, and then we take a break. Breathe in and out normally for 45 seconds. Through the mouth and the nose. In through the nose, out through the mouth. And after that 45 seconds, we start again. We breathe in for 5 through the nose. We hold it for 7. And we breathe out for 8 through the mouth. In through the nose again for 5. And we repeat this for 6 cycles. And then again, we go back to breathing normally for 45 seconds. Now, the third time we do this, we're going to breathe in for 5, hold it for 7, exhale for 4, count to 2, and exhale for 4 more. So it's pause. We breathe in for 5, we hold it for 7, out for 4, pause, pause, out for 4. And we do this 6 times for a total of 18 times with this breathing exercise. 5, 7, 8.